Hello students, today I will be starting the third chapter of your syllabus. The name of the chapter is matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix is the ordered rectangular array of elements or function. Generally matrix is denoted by the capital letter A. Suppose this is a matrix. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many rows are there and how many columns are there? There are 3 rows and 3 columns. So this is of order 3. So what is basically order of the matrix? Order of the matrix means how many rows and how many columns are there. A matrix is of order m into n, means number of rows in the matrix is m and number of column is n. M means number of row and n means number of columns. So another matrix A is equal to suppose 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. What is the order of this matrix? The order of this matrix is 2 into 3. Why 2 into 3? Because there are 2 rows are there. 2, 3, 4. This is row 1 and this is row 2. 2 rows are present and 3 columns are present. C1, C2, C3. So this is the order of the matrix. Next we will see what are the types of the matrices. Types of matrices. The very first type of the matrix is row matrix. What is row matrix? Row matrix means only a single row is present in the matrix. Suppose A is equal to X, Y, Z. This is the row matrix. Next one is column matrix. Column matrix will be like 1, 2, 3. Only one column will be there in the matrix. Next is equal matrix. What is equal matrix? Equal matrix means equal number of rows and columns. X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, Q, R. What is the order of this matrix? The order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Why 3 cross 3? 3 rows and 3 columns. So next is diagonal matrix. What is diagonal matrix? Diagonal matrix means diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means a matrix is said to be diagonal if only the diagonal elements are present. 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So all the remaining non-diagonal elements will be 0. Only the diagonal elements will be present. So this is the diagonal matrix. Another type of the matrix is scalar matrix. What is scalar matrix? Scalar matrix is same. Only difference is the elements which are present in diagonal will be same. So scalar matrix is a type of the diagonal matrix. Another matrix is here which is identity matrix. What is identity matrix? Identity matrix is a type of scalar matrix. It's a type of diagonal matrix also. It will be like this. I is equal to 1, 1, 1. All the other elements will be 0. So this is the identical matrix. In this identity matrix, all the elements diagonal elements will be 1. So identity matrix is a type of scalar matrix or it is a type of diagonal matrix. And another matrix is there which is zero matrix. Zero matrix means from the name itself we can say all the elements will be 0. So this is all about the types of matrices. Now we will see equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. When two matrices are said to be equal. Two matrices are said to be equal if both the matrices have the same number of rows and same number of columns. What is the meaning of this? Means they must have the same order. So first condition is both the matrix should have the same order. Second is each element corresponding to first matrix must be equal to the corresponding element of the second matrix. Corresponding element of the second matrix. What is the meaning of this statement? Each element corresponding to first matrix must be equal to the corresponding element of the second matrix. Suppose A is a matrix having a element x, y, l, m, and another matrix B is there which is having element 2, 3, 4, 5. So both the matrices are said to be equal if and only x is equal to 2. X should be equal to 2, y should be equal to 3, l equal to 4, and this one is m. M will be equal to 5. So if this condition is satisfied, then we will say that A and B are equal matrices. So the two conditions must be satisfied for equality of matrices. The first condition is both the matrix should have the same order, and the second one is every element corresponding to the first matrix must be equal to the corresponding element of the second matrix. So this is about the equality of matrices. Next we will see some operation on matrix. Operations on matrix. First we will see addition. Suppose A is a matrix having the element 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, and B is another matrix having the element 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 7. So what will be A plus B? Addition of matrix means this element will added with this. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 3, 1 plus 4, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 0, 2 plus 7. So result will be 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 2, 2, 9. So this is the addition of matrix. Only the element corresponding to first element will be added to the first element of the second matrix. So this is all about the matrix addition. Similarly, we can do matrix. For this example also you can take subtraction or difference of the two matrix. Just you put minus here. Answer will change. So this is all about matrix operation. Operation means not all addition and subtraction. So matrix multiplication is also there. We can multiply two matrix, and also we can multiply a scalar into the matrix. So in my next video lecture I will be talking about this, and we will solving some sums on this.